Okay guys, we are at the park. Now we're gonna walk way over there. How could it be? Where he at? Here it is. Let me see. Oh, that's the number one?
Yeah.
It says they have something to read in here. Right there. What it says?
I don't know.
You don't know. It says, how do dinosaurs go to school? Look, you read it.
How the dinosaurs go to school?
How the dinosaur goes to school?
One to school and do this.
Do what? Okay, it says, dear readers, I can clearly remember my own first day of school. 66 million years ago, in the late Cretaceous period. The excitement, the nervousness, the strangeness of it all. So, when Jane Yulin first proposed writing a story called How Did the Dinosaur Go to School? I knew right away that she was on to something. Then, her poem arrived for me, the illustration of the first step who looked through the dinosaur books and picked up the oldest, most fair... What is that? I can't read it. Where'd it go? Fearsome dinosaurs I could find. Once I had my cast of characters, I gave them books, backpack, and lunch boxes and sent them off school. I was interested to see what kind of mischief they would get onto, and they didn't disappoint. I hope you have as much reading this book as I had illustrating it. Bye, Martin. Oh, bless you. Come on, let's go.
And
To the next. What it say? You don't know. It's a dinosaur?
no.
I cannot read that little. It's too little. For demo might editor, Donnie, I cannot read this, it's too little. And it's shining like a diamond. Okay, let's go. You get hot already. Okay, this side, hey. This side. We went to the trail. Where are we? Next is dinosaur. How does a dinosaur go to school? Does he walk? Does he ride? Does he busy carpool? What he does?
Right on the board.
He ride in the car?
Not
Holy
on the
macaroni. He's too big for that car though.
Yeah.
He's so silly dinosaur. He's a silly dinosaur.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the other side.
That's going. Woo, that's
Ma. What the next one? What is that? It says, come in, sugar berry. It says sugar berry. The trees. The trees is sugar berries. What's next? Dinosaur. Does he drag his long tail? Is he late for a bus? Does he stomp all 4 feet? Does he make a big fuss? Uh-oh. Did he go to school to ride in a bus?
No.
No?
This one on the bus.
Yeah. Come on.
And left you.
Okay, next one. What it say? When he gets to the school, does he what is the mug house and punch? Does he make a quick grab for a classmate's pick lunch? Uh-oh. Look at that dinosaur. Look at the dinosaurs.
It's too big.
Too big. Okay, let's go this. What is that? What it say?
That's a big stone block.
Don't climb in there. Come on. Number 7. Oh. What's the number 7 says? It says dinosaur raised up the stairs right ahead of the bill. Uh-oh. Is he raised up down the stairs? He's a silly dinosaur. A silly dinosaur. You get. Uh-oh. You don't do that. Okay, next. Where we at? Come on. You get tired. Someone hiking in there. What number is that?
8.
Number 8. Does he interrupt class with his own show and tell? Uh-oh. It's already cracked. Did you see that crack? Uh-oh. Okay, GP is gone. Off to go. Huh? That what it say? It says, does he interrupt the class in his show and tell?
No.
Nope. Mm.
Mom can go to school.
Gus cannot go to school. It's a pretty nice in here. Okay, next. What number is the next? 9. Okay, say cheese first. Okay. Katja, does does a dinosaur yell? Uh-oh, the dinosaur yell?
Nope.
No. Okay, let's go.
Nope.
Let's go to the next.
Nope.
No more next. It's a lot of it. Before we come in here with friends, but this time JP's friend moved to Texas, so we did not come in here anymore. We stopped when coronavirus come. Okay, next. What number is that?
What is that number? 10?
10, right? Great job. Next is, and when in this classroom, plunk down in his chair, does see the dinosaur fidget his tail in the air?
Nope.
Nope. Nope. Okay, next.
This one.
There's more around it. Look, guys, it's pretty cool in here. It's a fish pond. It's a lot of fish and turtles. We used to hang around in here. But now, we just come to visit the, what is that, the park. Number 11? Okay, what it says. Does he growl during chalk talks or roar out of run? What he does?
Roar.
Roar. Does he roar?
Dinosaurs roar.
Dinosaur roar.
Dinosaurs, it's stop.
It's stop. Ang ganda, ang ganda, ang ganda, ganda. What's the next? What number is that? It's 12. Yeah, it says, does he make it too hard for the others to learn? Nope. I guess so. Okay, here we are. A feeding fish. This is our feeding fish area before. We feed fish before, but oh look, there's so many fish, guys. You can see it.
Nope.
Ah, it's too sunshine. But there's a lot of fish. Before we are feeding it with
Where is the bread?
bread. We don't have bread. We did not bring some bread.
No.
But it's a lot of fish. A little bitty and big one. Okay. Next is this one, 13. Does he stir up the classroom by making a noise? Oh my goodness. Does he make a noise in the classroom? Come on. Look, it's a trail over there that you can climb, but I don't want to climb there right now. So, let's see. It's a very nice woody woods. Come on, uy. You might drag it off. Come on. Next is 14. What the 14 says? Does he tease all the girls? Does he pick on the boys? No. Does he? No.
Not me to tease all the girls.
Not teasing all the girls.
Don't tease all the boys.
Mm-hmm.
You can tease me too.
Gonna tease you too. Okay. What's next? A dinosaur carefully raises his hands. He helps out his classmates with projects. They blonde. Yeah. Look. That's so cool.
Yeah. Where's the dinosaur doing that?
Oh, when you're a baby?
Yeah.
Are you a big balloon now?
Yeah, I can do that.
Yep. Someone left their trash in here.
Where?
Right there. Everywhere. Oh, look at those birds. Come on.
Where?
It's already there. They're flying. They fly when we walk. Come on, what's the next one? Uh-oh. Hoy, are you okay? Yep. What did it say?
The dinosaur fly?
At races, he plays with number of friends and grows or at the bully still bullying ends.
No.
Oh. No. No. He's participating in school. Uh-oh. Next. What is next?
Dinosaur jumped and laughed?
He tried his best, then he leaps out the door. What do you say?
Is jump and laugh?
No, he did not jump and laugh. You just think it says he tie-dyes his desk, then he leaps out the door. Okay, come on.
Hi.
Hi. Come here this way. Gonna look at the fish?
No. I see something.
This one. Look at this. Number 18. 18 is, let me see. Uy, look at the, you stay here. Good work. Good work, little dinosaur. Here are some useful resources for updates. Wow, stay with safe and stay sane. Sane. Come on. Sane. 19. There's 19. I not see 100. There's oh, it's empty. I think it's the number 18 is the end. Okay, let's go back to the playground. Come on this way. Where you going? This way. Huh? What is that? It's like a nuts or something. I don't know. Hickory nut. Hickory nut. He called it hickory nut. Where are you going? Hey, he's off to go. Where he at now? Nauna na ako. Asa naman tong bata? Daming anahaw. Poke my face. I heard this. We're back. Aray ko. Okay. We're back to the, what is this? We're back to the playground and Chippy is there playing. And I am here sitting down and okay, init kayo. So, this is it for today. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.